What's up guys, and welcome back to another video. In today's one I'm gonna show you how to get free energy on Temu app without inviting friends. So before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you keep alerted whenever we post another video. So basically what you need to know is how to get free energy on Temu. So basically, as you can see, there are a couple of ways when you go to you and when you go to earn crates and gifts. So gifts upgraded easy mode for you. So we are here in Fishland, so you might need some energy for it. So basically there are a couple of ways. So as you can see, method one is complete surveys. One way to earn free energy is to complete surveys. On the Temu app, it has a dedicated section where you can find tons of surveys. All you have to do is answer some basic questions, so it's easy peasy. Second is watch ads, of course. Another viable option to earn free energy is to watch ads on Temu app. This is by far the easiest option to earn energy. These ads typically last for 30 seconds max, and there's no restriction on the number of ads you can watch in a day, so you can spend a good amount of time watching ads and earn energy daily. So method number three is make use of promotions and coupons. So next up on the list are promotions and coupons. The great news is that Temu offers a dozen of promotional codes and coupons each day. Method 4 is participate in games. Temu has gazillions of games to offer. There's good news and bad news. The good news is that you can play these games to earn free credits and energy. The bad news is that they work on the energy system, meaning you'll have to exhaust some of your existing energy to play these games. Keep in mind the smaller games may not always reward you with energy, so opt for the larger ones to increase your chances. And of course, method 5 is stay longer with Temu. So hopefully these answers some of your questions. So guys, thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Goodbye.